Hello students, welcome back. In this video, I will continue with exercise first B uh, with question 2. In my last video, I have explained about the fraction and how to write fraction or find fraction of a shape in question 1. Now let us see question number 2. It is given, write T means true if the fraction is shaded correctly. If not, write F means false. So here some shapes are given and their fraction is also mentioned down there. So you have to find whether correct proportion of uh, shapes are colored according to the given fraction. Okay, so let us do it. In A, if you see this shape, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts are total for this shape. And if you see this number, total number is given 7. And this is also 7. So it is correct. Now see the up one numerator 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are colored. So upside what shows? Part from the whole. So this is the colored part from the whole. So 3/7 is it true or false? Very good. It is true. Second, now see this shape. In this total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of parts are 6 and number of colored parts are 1, 2, 3, 4. So what it means? 4/6 total and the part out of total. But what it is given here? 2/3. So is it true or false? It is true, students. Let us see how. If you remember, students, in class 3rd I have explained about equivalent fractions. In that, how we are moving? 2/3 is equal to 4/6. 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6. Or how it is equal? How can we say that it is equal? If we divide this 4/6 by 2, divide by 2, so 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. So from this 4/6 what we have got? 2/3. And this is also 2/3. So this 2/3 is equal to this 2/3. It means 2/3 is equal to 4/6. So this whatever shaded fraction is given in this shape is true. Now let us see the next one. Total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, and from that 1, 2, 2 parts are shaded. So how we will write it? 2/4. But what it is given? 1/4. If we reduce it, we will get 1/2. 1 2 2 4. 1/2, but not 1/4. So this is false. It is not correct. Out of 4, not one part shaded colored. There are 2 parts are colored. So it is false. Now let us see the next shape. See this shape carefully, student. Let us count the total number of fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total parts are 16. And how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4/16 it is showing. So what it is given here? 1/4. So it is correct or not? Let us check it. So see, students, this 4/16, if we reduce this fraction 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. So what we will get? 1 by 4, which is equal to this. So 1 by 4 is equivalent of 4 by 16. So this is also true. So students, till now we have covered almost basic contents like numbers in large, their ascending, descending, place value, write in expanded form, write in words. These all we have done revision on numbers in large. After that we have revised addition also, subtraction, multiplication and division. What are the basic terms in these operations, like in addition, in subtraction, in multiplication, in division, and how we are doing it with 3 to 4 digits. And we have done fraction also. So students, now I am stopping the revision of unit 1 today, because first we will go through some basic contents which is given in starting of this session. Now see the student, this is your content page, and here we were just doing review. So in this almost we have revised the basic things, and after it unit 2 is given Roman numerals. So in my next video we will learn about Roman numerals. And of unit 1 further content we will revise later on after these units. Like you can see, after Roman numerals large numbers are given, we will learn about something more about large numbers. Then again addition is given, again subtraction is given, multiplication is given, division is given. So these are all first we will learn, then we will move towards further revision part.